Alright, so after mirroring the line over, we just need to exit the sketch. Okay, now a little bit different here, perhaps. We are going to use a boundary surface to finish this off. Okay, so surface tab. Remember, I know it's a bit late, but if you install this at home and surfaces isn't available, just right click and go and tick surfaces on. Okay, so boundary surface, direction 1. All we're going to do is we can, well, it doesn't really matter which bits we select, just remember that it's parallel in one box and then parallel in the other box. So let's right click on one of these lines, selection manager, let's select both sections. Okay, green tick. So you can see that's put that in a group up here. I'm going to stay in that box and do the same at the other side. So right click, selection manager, and select both lines, green tick. Alright, remember if these green and pink dots appear at opposite ends, like this, we can just right click on any of these and choose flip connectors to fix the problem. Okay, click into direction 2. I'm just going to select this curve here. And now, because the other surface is made up of different segments, we have to right click, selection manager, and choose the 3 sections. Okay, green tick. Alright, looking pretty good. So just green tick. And that's that pretty much done. So like I said, just a few bits to cap off now. So this section here, what we'll do is we'll go into the the filled surface and just choose all the edges surrounding this this whole green tick. Okay, that's that fine. Just going to hide that plane. You can leave the bottom open or use the same tool to finish that off. Now this base here, we've got some fillets to worry about. So there's a R6 in the middle and then an R5 on the outside. Just out of curiosity, I'm just going to try the outside one at the moment. I'm not sure whether it will apply that or not. So fillet tool, you can use this from either the surface or the features tab, doesn't matter. Okay, fillet, and choose this edge. Okay, nice, it works straight away. So let's have a look, let's put 5mm in there, green tick. Now, because these are seen as 2 separate parts and there is no hole in between the 2 parts, we've got to sort this out first. So the first thing to do is to go up to the trim surface option. Okay, we're going to set the option for the tool that is going to do the cutting. So I'm going to use the stem. And then I can choose whether I want to keep or remove sections. So if I choose keep and select everything apart from the hole in the middle, green tick, we should be left with that hole. Alright, so now we've got to actually knit these 2 parts together, otherwise we won't be able to fillet between the 2. So go up to the knit surface option. Okay, so already selected that surface. I'll just clear that out so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to choose the base and then choose the stem. Alright, green tick. So they are now connected, which should allow us to fillet the corner here. So back into the fillet tool, choose the edge, set it to 6mm, and green tick. Okay, and if you wanted to finish it off at the bottom here, you could now use the fill surface tool to cap that off. Okay, hope that helped.